here today is to interview the sister of Arjun Caballero. And now, let's begin!
Before I start the interview, I'll introduce myself first. I'm Belinda Mazuela. I'm grade 11 Wings. The first question is...
Okay, thank you. So, I can tell myself first. So, by the way, my name is Tichelle Caballero. I live in the area of Buluan Eagle, Zamboanga, Sibugay. 25 years of age. My mother's name is Michelle Caballero and my father's name is Nestor Caballero. So, I graduated at Bachelor's of Elementary Education, General Education at Dr. Aurelio Mendoza Memorial Colleges. I took my board exam on March. Then, I passed my board exam in May 2024. So, question.
Thank you, ma'am. Next, second question is...
As of now, my strength in myself is having actually, I have a lot of strength that I have. So, first of all, the strength that I have is to pursue what I have now is having my students or having the children, especially in my ministry. So I teach my children. I teach a lot of children in the ministry. So I give my strength to them. I push my talent to them. I give everything I have to the students in the ministry of Alliance. As of now, I don't or I never teach in any organization, but my profession or my strength is to teach children everything, to teach children well as of my passion.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Next, the third question is...
My weakness about myself is sometimes I'm shy, sometimes lack of confidence. But totally, I develop myself to overcome that weakness. Especially as of today, nowadays, self-confidence is just a matter. It depends on the situation or wherever you are. You need to overcome a lot of challenges, especially the confidence, because nowadays there is a lot of people, especially in my profession, children. The future of the children. I need to inspire them. I need to help them to develop. So the weakness or the lack of confidence I have is I already equipped or I already do to overcome each.
Thank you.
Actually, my job right now is not compatible. It's not fit to my profession I take or I took before. So my job right now is about financing. So I don't have any related things or any related backgrounds of my job now. But when I took my college, when I took my board exam, I see myself that one day I want to work in a public school, to work for the children, to inspire for the children, to do for the children, to have a lot of learnings, to have them to develop their learnings and to have their skills that it can help to their future. future someday.
Thank you, Mom. The last question is,
The motivation. First, the things are that I have, or the things that I have that motivates in my life is first, my family. My family is my treasure. Everything I have is for my family. So second is myself. So the things that I have in myself is I want the motivation that I have for myself is the learnings, the knowledge, the skills, and the lastly is our God. So God is always with me. That's why I motivates myself that God will never leave me or nor forsake me. And all that I have today, not for today, but tomorrow or in the future, I always thank God. And I always motivate myself that, especially in my profession, not now, but in the future, if I ever or if I have the opportunity to teach in the public school, the motivation I will have or I will is the children, because children is very important. Children is need a lot of learning. Children, as a teacher, we need to inspire children. We need to develop the learnings of the children. We need to develop the skill of the children to their future, not for their future, but to their self, to develop everything they have. That's all.
thank you, Mom.
Thank you for the time and interview.